Welcome back to Wellness Palette. Today, we're diving into something truly universal yet incredibly personal, eating with the seasons. Imagine a world where every meal you eat aligns with nature's rhythm, a world where food brings you closer to the natural cycle around you, no matter where you are. Around the globe, each season unfolds its unique colors, flavors, and energies, and by embracing them, we're not just feeding our bodies, we're nourishing our souls. Whether you're basking in summer's warmth or cozying up in winter's embrace, today's episode has something for everyone. We'll journey from crisp spring greens to the warming spices of fall, from refreshing summer fruits to grounding winter root vegetables. With every season, we'll highlight the delicious potential and health benefits hidden in nature's colorful palette. And of course, we'll share vibrant seasonal recipes that bring the Wellness Palette philosophy to life. So, no matter where you are in the world or what season you're in, this episode will inspire you to explore the delicious, nourishing, and colorful world that seasonal eating offers. First up, spring, a season of renewal and growth. As the world begins to bloom again, so does our opportunity to refresh our plates with foods that embody the spirit of spring, light, vibrant, and bursting with renewal. Spring produce is rich in green, leafy vegetables, and tender herbs that help cleanse and revitalize the body after winter's heaviness. In this season, we focus on light, fresh ingredients that support the liver, aid in detoxification, and nourish us with essential vitamins and minerals. To celebrate springtime, let's create green spring salad the Wellness Palette way. Imagine each ingredient as a color on your canvas, bringing together freshness, flavor, and nourishment. Here are the ingredients: baby spinach, arugula, radishes, peas, cucumber, avocado, and a lemon-tahini dressing. Here is how to make this green spring salad. 1. Prepare the base greens. Start with a generous handful of baby spinach and arugula. Lay them out on a large serving bowl or platter, envisioning them as the lush green backdrop of your salad artwork. The peppery arugula and mild spinach add layers of flavor to the base. 2. Add colorful brush strokes with fresh vegetables. Slice the radishes thinly and scatter them across the greens like bold strokes of pink and white, bringing a crisp, peppery bite. Add a handful of fresh peas for bright pops of green and sweet, springtime flavor. Thinly slice cucumber and arrange it around the salad, adding cool, refreshing textures. Cube the avocado and gently place it on top, bringing a rich, creamy element that enhances the colors of the other ingredients. 3. Prepare the lemon-tahini dressing in a small bowl. Mix 2 tablespoons of tahini, juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup optional for a hint of sweetness. Add salt and pepper to taste. Whisk until smooth and creamy, adding a little water if necessary to reach a pourable consistency. 4. Drizzle your creation. Lightly drizzle the lemon-tahini dressing over the salad, imagining each drop as a final brushstroke of brightness that ties everything together. 5. For the final touch, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or chives, if desired, for an added layer of green color and flavor. As you present your green spring salad, think of it as both nourishment and an expression of nature's artistry. Each forkful captures the crisp, refreshing essence of spring greens, designed to energize and balance you, both visually and nutritionally. We have one more spring recipe to share with you, a rainbow Veggie Buddha Bowl. Let's create it the Wellness Palette way, which means arranging vibrant colors, textures, and flavors to nourish and uplift. Here's what you will need: roasted sweet potatoes, red cabbage, yellow bell peppers, green peas, quinoa, and an herb-based green dressing. Here's how to make this bowl a true work of healthful art. 1. Prepare the quinoa base. Begin by cooking 1 cup of quinoa according to package instructions. Once cooked and fluffed, place it in the center of your bowl as the foundational layer, representing balance and grounding. Think of it as the neutral canvas for the colorful ingredients to stand out. 2. Roast the sweet potatoes. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Cube 1 medium sweet potato and toss it with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. Arrange on a baking sheet and roast for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until tender and caramelized. Add the roasted sweet potatoes to one side of the bowl, bringing in warmth and a splash of orange. 3. Slice and arrange fresh vegetables. Thinly slice 1 cup of red cabbage and 1 yellow bell pepper. Place the cabbage next to the quinoa, adding a vibrant purple that pops against the softer colors. Add the sliced yellow bell pepper beside the cabbage, evoking sunlight and brightness in your bowl. For a touch of green, add a scoop of green peas for their fresh, sweet taste, rounding out the veggie color spectrum. 4. Make the herb-based green dressing. In a blender or food processor, 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro, 1 tablespoon olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste. Blend until smooth, adding a little water as needed to achieve a pourable consistency. The green dressing adds an earthy, herbaceous contrast to the bright veggies, like a final green stroke on your wellness canvas. 5. Artfully arrange and garnish. Drizzle the herb-based dressing over the bowl in swirls, creating visual movement and a touch of freshness. For added depth, sprinkle with sesame seeds or pumpkin seeds for a little crunch, or some microgreens for a vibrant garnish. Present this bowl as a celebration of spring, where each vegetable color represents a different health benefit and adds to a cohesive, delicious whole. With every bite, you're enjoying nature's spectrum of nutrients designed to energize, detoxify, and rejuvenate. Embracing color as a cornerstone of wellness in springtime, this rainbow Veggie Buddha Bowl brings vibrancy and balance to your plate, embodying the wellness palate philosophy. With each crisp bite of spring greens or juicy radish, think of this as your body's gentle reawakening, mirroring nature's own rhythm. Foods like asparagus, spinach, and peas encourage lightness and vitality, setting a fresh tone for your wellness journey. As we bring our spring edition of seasonal eating to a close, let's take a moment to appreciate how nature's vibrant greens and delicate flavors have inspired us to refresh and rejuvenate. From the tender baby spinach to the bright radishes and zesty citrus, this season has offered us the perfect blend of nourishment and renewal. By embracing spring's bounty, we've not only aligned with the rhythms of nature, but also painted our plates with health and vitality, the essence of the wellness palate. But as spring gives way to the sunny days of summer, so too does our journey continue. In our next episode, we'll dive into the bold, sun-kissed flavors of the seasonal eating summer edition. Get ready for juicy berries, hydrating melons, and the vibrant hues of summer's peak harvest. It's a season of energy and celebration, and we can't wait to explore it with you. Until then, may your plates remain colorful and your hearts full of health and joy.